this, okay? Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine and I'm back with another video as promised. I told you I was gonna be less than 2 weeks this time and here I am. So today's video is actually a really fun one. I got to decorate my church for Easter and Palm Sunday, and so I made some floral arrangements and things like that. I had shared them over on Instagram just in stories, and some of you guys were really excited about them more than usual. And so you had asked for tutorials, like a handful of you guys asked. So I did film a tutorial, and I actually reached out to Temu to sponsor this video because that's where I had ordered the products from, and they happily agreed. So this video is sponsored by Temu. Thank you guys so much for your support, and let's jump into this video. So for anyone who doesn't know what Temu is, it is an online store where you can buy pretty much anything you can think of: home decor, fashion, jewelry, electronics, you name it. Prices are really affordable for the quality of the items that you receive, and I will show you tons of items that I got here in this video. For my very first order, I got some dried florals, some faux florals, and also some white paper lanterns to use as decor. So I actually happened to find this in my mom's backyard, so I'm using it. I don't know exactly what it is or what it's called, but you can use chicken wire, I know for sure will work, or anything that kind of has this grid-like situation going on where you can just poke the flowers through. I'm just leaving them loose so that I can use it for Palm Sunday and then pull them out and reuse them for a different project for Easter. All I really did for this, you can see in the video, it's really simple. I'm just poking flowers in here and there, but trying to keep it balanced. So from one side to the other, I'm just trying to make sure if I put something on one side, I'm also putting it on the other side. And that's pretty much all I did. I filled in using all the flowers that I had, creating a balance of color and size and shape and all that stuff. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Then I just added some of these like faux palms around, and that's pretty much it. I really loved their faux eucalyptus. It looks almost just real. I also used some of the pampas, just a little bit in here, just to add an element of dried floral, but I didn't overdo it. These flowers could be great for a baby shower, bridal shower, or even a wedding. Next up, I wanted to create something to hang in the back. We already had this pampas grass like stuck into the floral wire someone gave us. So I just put some flowers in the center of it, added some dried palms that we had that I found outside, and then put some of the faux palms in there too. And voila. And then the backdrop also has some lanterns that we got from Temu hanging over some string lights. And then also in the room, we also added some lanterns over the string lights. This is what it looked like when the band was up and the lanterns were super glowy in the room. It was such a vibe. And then for Easter decor, I needed to do 20 centerpieces for the tables. So I just grabbed some flowers from Trader Joe's and created the centerpieces myself. I mostly filled in with greenery and then a little bit of like the wildflowers, and then just a few of like the main larger flowers. And it was really simple and inexpensive if you ever need to create centerpieces. Just some mason jars from the dollar store, really easy, and then everyone can take them home afterwards. And this is how these ones turned out. So for this portion, I used these gold rings and some greenery from Temu and from Hobby Lobby to create this like backdrop for the dessert table. And then I recycled the flowers that we got from Temu, the faux flowers, and these looked so good. I was like obsessing over these. I'm going to use these flowers so many times because they just look so realistic and beautiful, and I got so many compliments on them. But this is what it looked like when the desserts were there, and this table just came out better than I could have imagined. Me and a couple of my friends put together this balloon arch, which came out amazing as well. And then to create a little magic in the lobby, we added some greenery to this trellis and the paper lanterns from Temu. And then this is the stage setup for Easter. We kept the lanterns up and just added some greenery and some lilies and then some flowers hanging in the back. We're going to do a live unboxing of this Temu package. They were very kind in gifting me all of this stuff in here, so I'm going to open it for you guys. My sister's here with me. So we're going to go through everything. I don't remember everything that I bought, so we're going to see it together, and she doesn't know anything. I forgot I got this, okay. So I got this. Do you know what this is?
No.
So this is for the sink. It makes like your, open it. It makes like your sink, like counter
A shelf?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I've seen
You
these.
can use that extra little sink space. And then I got the, oh no! It came broken. Temu, not a good sign. Most of the stuff I have gotten from them.
It was a wooden spoon though.
Yeah, there's this wooden spoon that did come broken. So I'll have to get that checked out. But I found these, which are super cute to put in like jars, pantry jars, just to take little spoons.
Oh,
that's over. Oh,
they're like so
light
small.
wood.
I don't even know what you would use for these.
No, like, no,
Like a raisin?
like seeds.
Like just one.
Just
one.
raisin. I don't know what I was thinking, but like maybe like baking powder or like, you know, no.
5 grains of salt.
Maybe just a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar. You can put those all together. There's like 5 of them. And then I got this ice cream scoop. Random stuff I don't know why we don't have. We don't really eat ice cream. Because we don't eat ice cream.
But we will now.
But we will. We will.
In the summer.
Okay, this. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, look at this.
Oh!
I got like a few different sets. They have super cute, very affordable brass dinnerware, a butter knife, a large spoon, and then a fork and a little spoon. Here's some more flowers. I love their flowers. Oh yeah, that's for making tea. Yeah. A little tea steeper thing. Super cute. Love that for me.
Another little spoon.
Another little spoon. I found this. Look at this. It's so cute. Which would be cute to make a candle in here. It's a little wooden bowl.
Cute.
That could be flammable. But it's cute. Maybe that could be cute shelf, like kitchen shelf decor. Super
Different
cute.
sizes.
Hold them up. Hold them up. I feel like we're opening gifts at a baby shower. Oh, here's another one. This one's for soup. A little ladle. I got this little wood, not wood, metal tree with the birds. This is cute. I thought it'd be cute for the church. No?
The wall?
Yeah, it goes on the
Oh,
wall.
yeah.
Cute. Yeah, for like the wall.
wall.
This is what you've been waiting for.
Ah! Yes.
The whisk.
Yes.
I don't know if I have batteries in it, but we can try it. So it has a little stand. It's white. We love that.
We do
Does it
have
batteries?
white. Love white.
It doesn't have batteries. We need batteries. But isn't that cool? It has a little stand.
Oh, that's so
Oh,
cute.
and it has a
Even
little
has a little.
whisker.
Oh, the mixer.
A little mixer. And then here's this little tea steeper. Oh, I got these for us too. Onion.
Onion and a lemon. For your
You
lemon.
just rewash it.
You just cute little bowl.
Yes, this cute little metal bowl. So adorable. I don't know what I would use this for. Probably not for eating, but maybe to style on a shelf or something. Ooh, this bowl I
That's a
love.
really cute bowl.
It's not porcelain, but it's a cute color for soups or whatever. It would be cute styled on a shelf to like a stack of
Is
them.
this made out of like plant fiber?
I don't know. A nice little back sponge.
How?
I also got, since we have chopsticks, I got this thing to make sushi.
That's fun, yeah. That would be really
sushi
fun.
night.
Sushi night.
Oh, I got this in case I want to do. I've been wanting to get a bar of soap, but I never have anywhere to set it down.
Those are cute.
So I saw this on there. I was like, yes, we're gonna get a bar of soap now. So I could use this because this is super cute. Hopefully, I'm doing a bathroom makeover. And then, wait, what is this? I don't even know what I.
This is the cutest little wood.
Oh yeah, right? Isn't it cute? What is this to clean? I don't remember. Like I know I had an idea. Oh, was it for the drain? Did I get that? Maybe I got. I thought I was getting the one that pulls the stuff out of the drain.
You probably washed like a wine bottle.
Wine bottle.
I don't know.
Car diffuser. I want it to be so bougie. Subtle flex, like.
What is that?
Just essential oil
Steam.
going in my. See, look. This is for the sink.
Oh, cool.
You put it
You can
over
wash your veggies in there.
Yeah, your veggies or whatever. Or your dishes or however.
This
However
is
you
like
see
some
fit.
hardcore industrial.
Oh, that? Okay, this is, I'm excited about this. These are like pieces you connect to your drill to like clean stuff, or you can like, not sand, but like create texture on wood and stuff. Yeah, I'm really excited about these.
They looked industrial. I wasn't sure. I was like, you
could scrub like the little like windowsills or like,
Okay.
like you know, all that stuff. Yeah, you know what I mean. You know.
Oh, this
That's
is
for the
so
sink.
cute.
Oh yeah, I got some cups. I think I only got one actually.
Why did you only get one?
So you already have one. Now we can have iced coffee together.
I didn't have a lid.
Oh, there's one. Did I get more than one? No.
Is there a straw?
Oh, it only allowed me to get one.
Oh.
That's why I wanted to get a set. But
Oh, it comes with a thing to wash it.
Yeah, the straw.
And the straw.
You're gonna need that.
I have one.
Oh. I got this for my friend Mary, which this in the pictures I did think it was a little bit nicer than it is. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it's still cute. It's still functional, but not as like I thought it was like acrylic, but it's more like just plastic. But it's still cute. It's like a organizer for the bathroom or whatever. You put your products in here and then there's little drawers. Wait, did you share that glass cup? That's like one of the best things.
Held it up.
Oh yeah. This soup's cute. We love a good glass cup.
With the glass straw.
With the glass straw.
With the glass
With a glass
slipper.
slipper. I was
Why
thinking
did we both say
exact.
that?
I was thinking that when you said that. With the glass slipper. This. Oh, this is like a fake wood organizer.
There's a theme.
This was another organizer that I picked out. But it looks like it's not real wood, but you like kind of piece it together.
Oh.
Like so like that. Like so like that. Oh wait, oh I think I got this for E actually. For Easter. Oops. Yeah, I think it was for you. It was for your desk organizer.
Oh, cool. So you got a lot of spatulas and different kind of spoons. These are really cute.
Yeah.
I like these small ones for rice.
Yeah. For all like the serving.
Yeah.
I've been hosting a lot of events with my church. So I thought these would be fun to have as like serving utensils.
Oh, you got another cup, but it's different.
Oh.
It has
Oh, careful, don't break my glass. Come on. Oh, it's square.
They packaged it well, so it didn't break. This is tiny. Look how cute. It's like a child's
baby glass.
It's like a child.
Oh, it is really small.
Yeah, it's like a kid's cup.
Or something that you don't want to drink a lot of. Like you would need something small portion. Oh. So here's another green plant. Since I didn't open these. Oh, you know what? These would be perfect for the church actually. They go on that thing. Once you fluff them out a little, because it's far away enough that. Oh. So the plants I've noticed, TBH, mostly I liked. Like the flowers and stuff I liked. I would say the greenery hasn't been as good as the flowers are. Like realistic. So this is what this one kind of looks like, which I feel like I can work with it. But I probably wouldn't use it as like a home decor thing. I'd probably use it like for a party or something where it's like in the distance. But yeah, it kind of looks like that. So, yeah. that's pretty much everything. All right, that's a wrap.
That
That's
was
all
Christmas.
the things. We'll film some close-ups of stuff so you can see them because it's kind of hard to see them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to share with you my 2 favorite products out of the whole thing. Now that it's been a couple weeks, I've been using this almost every day. I love this cup so much. And then also, I've been using this a lot to make my like green drinks and then also my protein shakes. It's a game changer. Instead of shaking them, it's like super easy to like mix the powder all the way in. Anywho, love you guys. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. I would love to answer them for you guys. Also, my Instagram, make sure to follow me if you're not already. I'm trying to stay up to date and posting content on there on a regular basis. And I'm going to be posting more videos. I already have some ideas, so stay tuned. Hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and like this video if you liked it. Also, here's your coupon code again for Temu to get 30% off on their website. All the links from this video will be down in the description box, so make sure to check that out. Love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon. Keep spreading the love and light. See you later.